1, 2, 3. Welcome back to another unboxing video. So, I have a box right here sampai semalam. So, without further ado, let's open the box. Tada! Beli ni. What is this? Guys, what is this? No, I'm kidding. This is just goodies from the seller. Thank you so much. I beli. Tada! I beli Have a Seat series. Okay. Yang ni, I dah tahu dah benda apa kat dalam sebab dia dah buka dah. You know what? I malas nak battle, nak beli blinds box. I takut dapat yang sama. And I membazir. So, I'm not the kind of person yang suka beli banyak-banyak dan membazir. So, I choose to buy yang on-sale punya. At least I dah tahu apa benda yang kat dalam tu. Dan ianya original. And then guys, kalau you rajin buat research, you akan dapat harga yang sangat-sangat affordable. Ataupun lebih murah. This one I've bought 65 ringgit. Murah lah kan? So harga dia kan 70 lebih kan? And free shipping. It's just like you bought this from the store. Jadi you kena rajin-rajin lah buat research kat mana you boleh beli dengan harga yang murah dan original. Jadi I bought this Have a Seat. Why? Because I dah ada the Have a Seat series. This one. This is my first Have a Seat series. But I don't want the eyes closed one. I want the open eyes. And then I bought the second one. So second one I've got. I am so lucky. I know. I've got this secret punya. I've got the secret one. And obviously it's open eyes, right? But this is a secret. There's no way for me to bring everywhere. She will be sitting at home. So I need another open eyes Have a Seat. So I beli yang ni. Then I want all the open eyes one. I want Dada, I want Baba, and I want Kuku. So this is the collections or the options. So I've bought Dada and Baba. So I miss Kuku. So without further ado, let's open the box. So I just pretending that I don't know what it is. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! This is Baba. Oh my god, this is so pretty. In real life, I love the eyes. Tengok. This one I like because dia ada, you know, heart in her eyes. So Dada. Oh my god, I don't regret at all. It is so pretty. So I have Dada. So I have two, one secret and one Dada. And the others Baba is on the way. And I have this one Zizi, I think. So that's it for today. Bye.